One UI 8.5 just walked into your Samsung and turned it into a laggy, freezing, and your phone is now just messed up. In this video, I'm going to get that fixed. So let's dive right into the video. So now this is your Samsung device. In order for you to fix this problem, first you need to restart your device. So if you just updated it and you are seeing this lagging of a thing, you need to go ahead and restart your device. By clicking on the power button, you can actually tap and hold the power button, click on the restart button and restart it properly. Once the restart is done, yet the lagging is still on your phone, yet your phone is still lagging or freezing when you are trying to do something, this is what you need to do. You need to optimize the device. You can actually do that by going to your phone settings like this. So right here is your phone settings. So in order for you to optimize your device, you just need to scroll down a little bit and look for where you can see device care. You can see that option right here. So go ahead and click on it like this. So looking right here, you can see the option of fix now. So you just need to go ahead and click on fix now like this. Once this is done, looking right here, it says two issues need your attention. So you need to go ahead and click on it like this. Now looking right here, it says this app has security issue on it. So you can either choose to delete it depending on the app. Just go ahead and delete it like this. Click on uninstall the app. Since they identify that that app actually have an issue and might actually be the problem why your phone is actually lagging, so you need to go ahead and uninstall those malware app from your phone. Once this is done, the next step you need to take is to go to your phone settings, stay on your phone settings like this, scroll and look for where you can see device care. Right here is device care. Go ahead and click on device care once more and then go ahead and click on storage. So looking right here, you can see recycle bin. If you click on that like this, you can see some of your files, gallery, contacts. So if there's anyone that is still on your recycled bin, that is the videos or images or contact that you have actually deleted from your device, but they are still in your device, you just need to go ahead and select them and delete them. Now come right here as well and click on unused apps. If there are some apps on your device that you haven't been using for a period now, you just need to go ahead and select those apps like this. So let's say you select the app like this, then go ahead and click on uninstall. Since you are not using it, uninstall those apps that are no longer important on your device. Once that is done, it is actually going to help your phone to be free from lagging and also freezing. So let's simply go back a little bit. Now looking right here, you can see app cache. So looking right here, if you click on app cache like this, so right here you just need to go ahead and select the apps that you want to clear their cache. You can select all the apps like this and click on clear all, and you'll be able to clear the cache of all the app. Looking right here, you can see clear all. So you can choose to click on clear like this and clear all the caches of all the apps on your device. This is actually going to help your phone as well to be free from lagging since you updated it recently to UI 8.5. So the next step you need to take here is to go back to your phone settings once more. So right here on your phone settings like this, you need to look for where you can see modes and routines. Right here you can see that. So just go ahead and click on modes and routines like this. So looking right here, if there's any modes or routine that you turned on your Samsung device, you just need to go ahead and turn that off. Or looking here, you can see that I did not actually set any of them, but if on yours you actually set any of them, just tap on it and click on turn off. That is actually going to help as well. So going back like this, still on your phone settings, just scroll down a little bit and look for where you can see accessibility. You can see that right here. So clicking on that like this, looking right here, you can see the option of vision enhancements. So click on that like this. So right here, you just need to scroll down a little bit and look for where you can see reduce animation. So right here it says prevent some screen effects, useful if you are sensitive to animation and screen movement. So you just need to go ahead and turn this on in order for you to be able to reduce animation on your device. So the next step you need to take, which is actually going to be the last, is to simply go to your Play Store like this. So right here on your Play Store, just go ahead and click on the profile icon or on this U button at the bottom of your screen like this. So right here, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. So once you do that like this, go ahead and click on manage apps and device. So clicking on that like this, looking right here, you can see updates available. So go ahead and click on that and update all the apps that needs to be updated on your device. Once this is done, this is actually going to help to fix the problem on your device. So after taking all of these steps, yet the problem is not as fixed, you need to understand that whenever there is actually a big update like this on your Samsung device or any other device, the phone might actually lag temporarily, so you just need to wait patiently. And if yours lags for 3 to 4 days yet it is still lagging, then you can now go ahead and factory reset your phone and this problem is going to be fixed. So this is how simple it is for you to be able to fix your Samsung One UI 8.5 lag after software updates. So hope this actually helps you to fix the problem and understand how all of this actually works. It has always been Daniel on Ask Daniel Fix, so do it, hit the subscribe button and hit notification bell as well. More helpful tips and tutorials like this on this channel. See you in the next one.